What's going on, guys? Philly here from Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube with another video for you. So this time we're talking about the top 5 wheels on the website right now in chrome. Now if you don't like chrome wheels, you can still watch the video because all of these wheels are also available in a couple other different finishes, most of which being like black and milled, the two most popular finishes on the market. But the chrome video has been heavily requested, so we finally got around to making it. So with that, we'll just jump right into it. Number 1 on the list is the TIS 544C, which is also the same as the TIS 544V that you've probably seen and heard of before. But what happened was TIS had the 544V, that was a PVD wheel. PVD is like a powder coat finish that looks just like chrome, and recently they switched to an actual chrome finish, so they got rid of the PVD, went to straight chrome. Not an issue with quality or anything like that, just an issue with their manufacturer. So TIS 544, it's a directional looking wheel. It's not technically a true directional wheel. It has a very forged like appearance to it, and it's super popular in all the finishes, but it makes number 1 on the list for the top 5 chrome wheels. So second on the list then is actually a wheel from RBP, and I kind of didn't realize that this wheel would actually make the list. So this one I'm talking about is the 73R Atomic. Now this one in a 20x12 is going to come in at just under $1,600, which is a pretty decent deal in itself. But if you add tires, we actually get such good pricing on these that we're able to discount them a little bit for you, upwards of close to about $500 on the set. So if you're looking to pick up a set of wheels and tires, you get the whole package price for a decently cheap option. These are going to be a good wheel for you. Now, as far as style goes, it's a kind of a traditional multi-spoke, split spoke design that you see a couple other people doing, but these are a little bit thicker, a little more rugged looking, and obviously it is available in chrome since this is the top 5 wheels in chrome, and that's going to be the 73R from RBP. Number 3 on the list is the Fuel Maverick. Now this wheel makes almost all of our top 5 videos because it's just so popular. It seems like everybody out there is running a set. So in a 20x12 on these guys, -44 offset, you're gonna be looking at right around $1,700 for these. And then this is more of a traditional, it's just an 8-spoke, straight spoke design, and it's really simple. It's available in a ton of different sizes, which was what makes it so popular. In some of the smaller sizes, like the 18x9s, it looks more like an aggressive off-road wheel, and in the big lip sizes, like 20x12 or 22x14, and as you go up and even get into the Fuel Mavericks that come in a multi-piece setup, it just looks like more of that show truck wheel. So pretty versatile wheel, you can use on just about anything, and it's available in pretty much every single bolt pattern out there. Number 4 on the list is the Motometal MO962. So this wheel again is another very simple, very clean 8-spoke, and that's what makes it so popular, is just the ability to put this on pretty much anything and look decent right off the bat. Again, available in a ton of different sizes and just about every single bolt pattern out there, but very simple, very clean, big, thick, blocky spoke design. And it's just a clean edge as compared to like the Maverick that we showed you before. It's just a much simpler design. One thing you notice with this wheel is that it is a covered cap design, which is basically because this is a dual drilled wheel, meaning that it's drilled out for multiple bolt patterns. Helps keep the cost down for the manufacturer, and in turn they pass it along to you, coming in at just over $1,500 for a set of 4. Last on the list, but first in my book, is the Vision Rocker. Now this wheel again is available in multiple different finishes as well. My personal favorite being the gray finish. It's like an anthracite color, super cool. But in chrome, it's going to set you back under $1,200 for a 20x12, so you get a massive wheel with a massive lip for a pretty decent price. It's actually one of the most affordable wheels on the list. Now this wheel takes a lot of inspiration from the car market and kind of brings it to the truck world. It's a multi-spoke, split-spoke design that's overlaid with another multi-spoke, split-spoke design. It just gets crazy busy, but very intricate, very cool looking. I think it's a great wheel, especially for a show truck. And even with the overlaid spokes and everything you got going on there, you still have a pretty massive lip. And like I said, for less than $1,200 for a 20x12, shipped to your door in the lower 48 states, you can't go wrong. Plus, this is one that has exposed lug nuts, so if you do want to run the spike lugs, you can on these. So if you guys are looking for chrome wheels, you can check them out on the website at customoffsets.com. Remember, we do everything wheels, tires, suspension. We ship for free in the lower 48 states, and we mount and balance tires for free as well. So if you're looking for a complete package, you can check us out online, customoffsets.com. Peace.